Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to adjust or change the screen refresh rate on your Windows XP computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the Start button, and on the right panel, select Control Panel. Underneath Pick a Category, select Appearance and Themes. And then underneath or pick a control panel icon, select display, select the setting tab, and then select where it says advanced at the bottom. Select the monitor tab, and underneath monitor settings, screen refresh rate, click on the drop down and adjust the screen refresh rate to whatever your choice is and select apply. And if you want to revert it back, you can select yes, otherwise you're good to go. Pretty straightforward process on that, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.